Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix claim code unreadable on Amazon gift cards. So let's begin. First, make sure you are on the official website and you are on the correct account before you proceed. Then over here, you just need to search for customer service. Click on the first option. Okay. Then choose payments, payments, charges, or gift cards. Problem with a gift card. And over here, you do actually have that option, claim code unreadable. Select that. Read this message carefully because you will need this before you proceed. And after that, I need more help. This option is rarely available, but if it is available, then that's great. Proceed. But if not, like this, just click on connect with an associate. Then over here, just type in your phone number and just press on call me now. Either way, the chat or this option to call you, just make sure to communicate with the customer service so they can make sure that your gift card is redeemable and can still be used for any purchases on their market. So that's it. You're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.